right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna. Okay, we could start.
Okay.
It is filming, right?
Yes, it's filming. Do you want me to stop and start?
It's okay. Let it go.
Okay.
Let it go. We'll edit it later.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do is go to display, clean mode.
All right. So this is.
It's editing, right?
Yep.
I mean, it is recording.
Yep. So this is. We're gonna show you guys everywhere out there, Model 3 owners, how to install this awesome Elon Accessories 15-inch touchscreen protector from ElonAccessories.com, also from Amazon, right?
Yes.
And this is Ram, who runs ElonAccessories.com. Yeah. So we're gonna unpackage it.
So we're gonna open this up.
Yep, great packaging, and I don't have a knife.
I was lazy to cut my nails, so
Yeah, no worries.
this will come
No
in
worries.
handy.
Yep. And I saw how it looked on my buddy's car, so I really liked it. I like that there's no prints and anything. It's pretty clean.
Yeah. So the good thing that you're doing is you're installing, send you a little note, and use our cards. You can put it on gas cars. They take up your spot.
We have a bunch of these at work that people park really bad, so
Right.
that's perfect.
Yeah. So we give you all the custom accessories.
Okay. Nice. So it comes with a lot, actually.
Oh yeah, yeah. You know, Chinese guys, they just sell you screen protector.
Yeah, very basic.
Yeah.
No frills, kind of.
Yeah. This is for your friends. You know, it makes you look good. You can share with your friends.
There's a cleaner or
There's a
install
cleaner
kit?
and one use of cards.
Awesome.
So
Perfect.
right, so what we need for today is installation kit and the actual tempered glass screen protector.
Perfect. And what's good is I left that, when I got it brand new, I left that film in there.
Yep.
Because I didn't want to, we would have to clean it. So it's one less thing to do.
Right. So we're gonna get a display. Clean
So
mode.
for the folks that are just buying this car or gonna buy this car, I would recommend keeping that on until you get this and install it. That way you don't, it's brand new. It's like really clean screen.
It's out.
Yeah.
We just peeled it.
Just peel it. Yeah.
Next, what we're gonna do is this guide stickers.
All right, that's a guide sticker to help
So we
guide.
give you plenty of them. The other guys, actually, we're gonna close it up. So
Close it up?
dust, yeah.
Ah, okay, got it.
The other companies give you suction cup, but we tried it. That doesn't work
Doesn't
well.
work well. Okay,
So that's why we went with custom-made guide stickers.
got it.
Next, we're gonna line it up
All right.
using both my finger and index.
So as you can see, this is the precision part to line it up to the edges.
It's gonna go this way, so I'm gonna peel it, realign it.
So is this like pure just eyeballing it?
Yeah, so we also made it 1 millimeter less than the actual screen size, so it sticks. Otherwise, what happens is if it jets out, then it has chances of peeling off.
Got it.
So it'll hug the line, but it's about 1 millimeter shorter than the actual screen all around. So next, once we're happy with the alignment,
It looks pretty good.
yeah, what do you think?
Yeah. I can't see this side as much, but I could see this and this and
Yeah.
this. It looks pretty good. I'm trying to get the camera close too so people could see.
Yeah.
So as you can see, it's a best effort kind of basis, with getting it aligned visually. As long as it looks good to you initially, then I think it's sufficient, right?
Right, exactly. As long as you're happy with all four sides, it sits well. Then next, we're gonna grab any dust that's there because we don't want any bubbles.
Yeah, that's a good call. And then sticking that adhesive is the best way to just grab it.
Yep.
Okay. peel the insides, as you can see. So this will be the almost the last step.
Yeah. So next what we're gonna do is let go of it, but while we let go, I'm gonna hold it with my index finger at the bottom. You probably see the glue working its way down.
Yes. I hope the camera could see it though, but I see it's like
a wave.
Yeah, pretty much a wave spreading top to bottom. Oh, this is pretty impressive. And you make this product yourself?
You
get it manufactured.
Exactly.
Awesome.
Perfect. That's it. Voila.
Awesome. And you don't need to press or anything.
No bubbles.
See, as you can see, guys, very simple. This is worth it.
Yeah.
I think this is the best one in the market out there. I know I've seen other ones cheaper, that 29 bucks or whatever on Amazon, but I think the reviews are great on Amazon.
Yeah.
Customer service, as you can see, is great. It's flawless. Can't get better than that.
Exactly. I'm in Bay Area, so if you ever need help installing and any questions, just reach out to me, and I'm happy to help. Yeah, that's it.
Awesome. And then you just take the guide.
Take the guide stickers, and
stickers
then
off.
We're gonna check to see if it's all responsive. It should be, but
we're gonna validate.
Exactly.
It's like pushing software, right?
Exactly.
Validate, QA.
Exactly.
Looks good.
Press and hold.
Awesome.
Bingo. So that's exactly what we want to see.
And it's pretty responsive, as responsive as it can.
It is. It's pretty responsive. I mean, responsiveness wise, you will not see any issues.
Yeah.
But as you can see, it's a matte finish, so you see a little bit of grainy texture.
But you could just clean that.
Exactly.
Standard.
So that's matte finish. But yeah, so that's it. I want you to see how it feels. It should feel a little smoother too, because it's
it does feel very smoother.
Yeah.
Much smoother, actually.
Exactly.
And me coming from this, it's much smoother, even more.
Definitely. This is more sticky feeling.
Absolutely.
But this is a lot smoother.
Yeah, and I intentionally left that because I knew I was going to upgrade. This was definitely a top accessory buy for the Model 3. Or other Tesla models as well.
Exactly.
Model Y, maybe?